Oi lads, it's Dan here today, bringing you a lovely video. In today's video, we're going to take a look at how to solve the integral of x times sine of x dx. Right, before we jump into it, I want you to leave a like and subscribe, and let's get right into it then. So in order to solve this integral, what we're going to need is to use the integration by poles formula from integral calculus. This is the formula. We are basically then going to have to establish our u variable and dv variable. And the way we do so is we create ourselves a table denoting all the variables according to this formula. We are then going to use the chart for integration by poles. This chart basically helps us determine our u and dv variables. Very important. So let's look at the integral once more. It's basically x times sine of x. X is a polynomial and sine of x is a trig function. So the polynomial sits right above the trig function. Therefore, the polynomial will be our u variable and the trig function will be our dv variable. So in this problem, u is going to be equal to x and dv is going to be equal to sine of x dx. On the left hand side, we are going to take a derivative. That's just going to be equal to dx. The derivative of x is basically 1 dx, right? And on the right hand side, we are going to take an integral. So the integral of sine of x is going to be equal to negative cos of x. So we have completed the table. We are then going to substitute all these variables into the integration by poles formula as shown in your screen. We are going to basically remove this negative outside the integral. So therefore we can rewrite the integral as follows on your screen. And you know, over here, the integral of cos of x is very straightforward. That's just going to be equal to sine of x. And this here is your answer. So that's what the integral of x sine of x is equal to. It's equal to this. So if you enjoyed this video, please drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.